Are you trying to choose between durable and 10 web? You are not alone. Many people face this decision when looking for the right website builder. In this video, we'll compare durable and 10 web to help you find out which one suits your needs best. Both tools aim to make website creation easier, but they have different features and strengths. Let's start with durable. This platform is known for its simplicity. It helps users build websites quickly, even if they have no coding skills. You can create a professional looking site in minutes. Durable also offers templates and a user friendly interface, making it easy to customize your site. Now, let's talk about 10web. This tool is a bit more advanced. It's designed for users who want more control and flexibility. 10web integrates with WordPress, which means you can use a wide range of plugins and themes. It's great for those who want to create more complex sites or online stores. So, what sets them apart? Durable focuses on speed and ease of use, while 10web offers more customization options. If you want to get a site up quickly, Durable might be the better choice. But if you need advanced features and flexibility, 10web is the way to go. When it comes to features, Durable has essential tools for building and hosting. On the other hand, 10 Web provides powerful tools like automated backups and performance optimization. In terms of pricing, Durable typically offers a straightforward plan that is easy to understand. 10 Web has various pricing tiers depending on the features you need. In the end, if you want something simple and fast, go with Durable. If you're looking for more control and features, choose 10 Web. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.